in chapter number 10, the stones to become what? Bread. We have mass bakulambi, chonga, amen. Doctrine, knowledge, I was still there. So that means deceive because as long as you have the knowledge, you have everything. And when you have the knowledge, potential to do everything. From everlasting. So only as lifetime by other words, I have received from God that I, Jesus, I don't live by bread only. That's a doctrine. This bread is. So who call it demons? Who call it fights? Just in the is threatening with doctrines. What do you mean? Chapter 3, verse 6. The conclusion.